Global Times, 7th of September 2023, China-Indian commerce increased 5.2% between January and August to 619 billion yuan. China has been enforcing economic warfare against the Indian subcontinent to enslave its economies and open up markets for the slave trade. Data released on Thursday by the General Administration of Customs of China shows that during the first 8 months of 2023, trade between China and India totaled 619.69 billion yuan, $84.49 billion, increasing 5.2% yearly. China's cumulative export volume to India from January to August was 533 billion yuan, growing at a rate of 5.2% over the same period last year. China imported 86.69 billion yuan from India in the first 8 months of this year, a 5.7% increase from the previous year. China's commerce with India reached 82.74 billion yuan in August alone, up from 82 billion in July. According to Liu Zhongyi, Secretary-General of the Research Center for China-South Asia Cooperation at the Shanghai Institutes for International Studies, the growing trade between China and India, despite India's various crackdown measures to stifle Chinese investments and companies, reflects the two countries' economic dependency. She made this statement to the Global Times on Thursday. With the help of several protectionist trade regulations, India has been trying to establish itself as a hub for global manufacturing while stifling Chinese investments and businesses. In the context of globalization, this is difficult to achieve and uneconomic. India is only doing this to satisfy its nationalist sentiments, Liu stated. Because Indian businesses require Chinese goods, trade with China has expanded despite trade barriers, Liu continued. China-Indian commerce reached a record high in 2022, breaking the $100 billion mark for the second year with cross-border trade of $135.98 billion. In 2022, the exchange between China and India exceeded 905 billion yuan. Liu anticipated a rise in demand for Chinese goods as the big Indian holidays, which fall in the second half of the year, draw near. According to Liu, this year's bilateral trade between the two countries is expected to surpass $120 billion in dollar terms and is likely to surpass last year's figure in yuan terms.